storage in the back, okay.
It's kind of a closet size, but
That's okay, storage is storage.
yeah, it's the same.
This is a 2-bedroom, right?
Two plus that front room you should come in on the left could be used as a third bedroom.
Let's take a look at that.
Well,
What do you pay for dues here?
6 something. 620, maybe 680.
It's, listing. Oh, your old listing says 405.
Well, maybe that's what that's. I really have to check.
Okay, I'm gonna say 405 for now.
My rookie please.
No, that's okay. And I can find out the taxes on that. And I'm assuming it's not homesteaded, this is your second home, right? Okay. You talked about 1,000.
Yeah, I otherwise I don't know, 150, I got about 250 in it, that which doesn't matter because everybody's.
Yeah, I know. I think you
if we redo the unit,
But it's, yeah, we, we have.
Oh, yeah.
except for the windows.
This compared to the other one that we, 213, this is unbelievably beautiful.
Oh,
The stuff is what, 2 years old? The appliances, it's hardly been used because we haven't rented it.
no.
We rented it for 1 year
Much better
after.
than that.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
After we fixed it.
It's 7 years.
Okay, so if you put a closet in here, you can turn it into a bedroom.
Yeah, closet or an armoire
And a door.
and a door.
Where's the AC?
I think it's,
Here in the, well, no, this is the heater. The water heater. And we have the thermostat outside on the
Yeah.
hallway. But.
So the air handler must be in the attic then, I
on
guess.
that or on the roof.
Oh, that's on the roof, yeah. Yeah, that's a good point. All granite, okay.
Yeah, the kitchen normally, if you remember, you have seen other was.
That was
normally is
the
there.
kitchen.
So
And
we're
the other
getting
one,
a few.
that little room up there was the kitchen.
Yeah.
Rose is an architect and she does kitchens and baths, that's her business, so.
Did you do this one? Very nice.
Well, we have the vision since we walk in, you know, normally people have the kitchen there, this is the dining room and then a living room and another dining or an office. We thought, why 2 of those when you can have the kitchen outside, gain
This is
that
beautiful.
as a room
Yep.
and have the view, and we did it and it was just great. The kitchen is actually very big.
It is.
It has 3 lazy Susans.
Oh,
So,
wow.
it's, yeah, trash can roll out, the dishwasher, shelves.
I'm surprised they let you put tile everywhere too.
Yeah.
Is that gonna be a problem when we sell it?
No,
Not at all.
No, there was something about the walking on the tile and moving the wall. I gotta tell you, there's a bunch of kind of Nazis around here.
Yeah, they are everywhere.
It's unbelievable.
These people have nothing better to do.
That's the answer.
Okay, is this one furnished or unfurnished?
Either way. Or we'll bump or give away furniture.